Hola, wish you all happy Valentine's Day. And this time I've created this look keeping Valentine's Day in mind. I thought, why not go Indian? And yeah, I have dished the reds and gone ahead with pinks. So yeah, if you like the look, then okay, let's get started. I have prepped my skin and now I'm using color bar primer on the areas where I have open pores and fine lines. And whatever is left, I'm just taking it all across my face. For my foundation, I'm using Nykaa Skin Genius in the shade 02 Almond Beige and using a stippling brush to apply the foundation all over my face and neck and also my ears. For concealer, I'm using LA Girl proconceal in the shade Pure Beige, and wherever I have pigmentation, I'm just applying it here. I'm applying it there and blending it with a damp beauty sponge. For highlighting, I'm using this concealer from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 10 Light and applying it on the areas around my eyes, on my forehead, nose, jawline and chin, just to bring forth these areas. And yeah, it looks beautiful, and the highlighting looks lovely when you contour. So yeah, I'm going to contour as well. For powder, I'm using MAC Studio Fix and I am shade NC42, and with a big powder brush I'm just pressing the powder on my face. For eyebrows, I'm using this brown eyebrow pencil from Etude House, and the spoolie which comes with the pencil, I'm just brushing my eyebrows up and then filling in the sparse areas, and I'm going to brush my eyebrows again so that the product is spread evenly all across my eyebrows. So this time I thought, why not surprise my husband with this nice sari and a very Indian look for Valentine's Day. How do you like to celebrate Valentine's Day? Let me know in the comment section below. For my eyeshadow, I'm using this palette from Lakme. It's called Midnight Magic, and using these two shades for my eyes. And I'm using the light brown, almost with a mauvish undertone. I'm using it for my crease area. This will be my transition shade. And with a fluffy eyeshadow brush, I'm just doing this back and forth movement and blending the eyeshadow really well. And the same eyeshadow, I'm also applying it on my lower lash line. Now for the pink one, I'm just using my ring finger to apply the pink eyeshadow because I wanted the intensity. It's a beautiful pink shade, so I thought I skipped the brush and I applied it with my finger. And now I'm intensifying the outer corners of my eyes with the same brown eyeshadow, and applying a little pink eyeshadow on my lower lash line, the inner corners of my lower lash line. Now I'm using the same brown eyeshadow as my liner, and I applied it with a pencil brush. Curl my lashes, and wearing this mascara from Maybelline. It's called Hypercurl Waterproof Mascara. And now I'm tight lining my eyes with Maybelline Colossal Kajal, just to intensify my eyes. And for contouring, I'm using Pack Powder Blusher in the shade 10 and applying it on the hollows of my cheeks, on my forehead, my jawline, and yeah, also on my nose. So while I'm contouring, I thought let me just tell you a little about the sari and the jhumkis that I'm wearing today. It's from a brand called Fashionista by Shraddha Saxena. They have their page on Facebook. I'll share the link in the comment section. Go have a look, visit the page. They have a beautiful collection of saris, suits, Indian wear, ethnic wear, Western wear, and also amazing accessories, and all in a budget. So go have a look, guys. I really love this sari. It's a khadi cotton sari, and yeah, and the jhumkis go well with the sari and matches well. So yeah, let's get ahead with makeup, and I'm using this Palladio matte blush for my cheeks in the shade Berry Pink, and applying it on the apples of my cheeks just to give my face a fuller look. And for highlighting, I'm using Makeup Revolution in the shade Dare to Divulge, applying it on my cheekbones, my nose, cupid's bow, chin, also a little on my forehead, and also on my eyebrow, my brow bone. Yeah. For my lips, I'm using this nude lip liner from Nykaa. You can wear any nude lip liner, whatever you have. Also, a light pink lip liner would look great. So yeah, you can give that a shot. For my lipstick, I'm using Nykaa So Matte lipstick in the shade Bare Minimum. You can go ahead, apply any light pink or a nude lipstick. Yeah. So yeah, these are the jhumkis I was talking about. They're beautiful, and they're also pink. So yeah, so I opened up my hair and I thought, let me just try something else. Ta-da! So I went ahead, straightened my hair, and I'm wearing this beautiful sari from Fashionista I was talking about. So yeah, I keep trying these funny tricks just to, you know, I'm really bad at it, but yeah, I just keep trying, you know, clicking my fingers, snapping my fingers, and you know, change into a diva. So yeah, so I thought let me just give you a little glimpse of the sari that I'm wearing. So I clicked these pictures, and it's a beautiful sari. I just loved it, the combination, the color. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye bye.